Hey everyone, it's Charlie from Daily Motor. We've got the 2020 Subaru Legacy Touring XT model here. And this has the top of the line 576 watt 12 speaker Harman Kardon sound system. In this video, I've got high quality binaural in-ear microphones in my ears right now, and we've got uncompressed WAV files plugged into a USB drive going directly into this large center touchscreen here. We're going to look through the sound system, listen to a few sample tracks, go for a drive, listen to a few sample tracks, and let you hear what the sound system sounds like as accurately as you can without driving the vehicle. So let's get started. All the sound systems are set to 0 right now. Bass, mid, treble, exactly how it came from the factory. There aren't too many sound system settings here. You've got your standard bass, mid, treble. Alright, let's go for a little bit of drive here. I'll let you hear what it sounds like while we're moving, and I'll give you some of my final impressions of the system after the end. Alright, so I hope you were able to get a good impression of the sound system. My observations of this Harman Kardon system on the Subaru are that it's not quite as crisp as a lot of the other Harman Kardon systems that I've experienced. It does have a good body to it. The centering is good. Sound seems to come nicely around me as a driver, even set in the middle position. But, and I'm not an audio engineer, so I don't know the exact terms for this. I've had a little bit of training, but not nearly enough to give you guys a thoroughly educated evaluation of this. But a lot of those sounds, kind of those mid-range treble hits, are coming through really sharp into my ears, to the point where I'm having to turn the sound down because it's uncomfortable. A really good sound system, you can turn it up really high and everything's well balanced and nothing is hurting your ears until everything is hurting your ears. But in this system, things will sound good, and then all of a sudden 1 or 2 notes will come through on a certain sort of instrument and just really be uncomfortable. So that's what I don't really like about this system. Other than that, its adjustability is pretty minor. I mean, you only have the equalizer here with bass, mid, and treble. In most systems, that's all you're really going to need, but you get into more advanced systems from Harman Kardon, like the Bowers & Wilkins system and the Volvo, or BMWs, a lot of different cars. You can adjust multiple aspects, surround elements, a wider range equalizer. So it would be nice to see that as well. All in all, I'm not fully disappointed with the sound system in this 2020 Legacy, but I would have expected a little bit more from the top level Harman Kardon system. Hopefully you guys are able to get a good idea of it for yourself by listening with headphones, but this would not be on my top list of sound systems that I've experienced. If you liked the video, definitely please subscribe, press that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Drive on.